Yes.
Okay. Anyway, Gideon, are you able to let us hear you? Or
Yes.
okay, let's
Yep.
give the Can you give us the vocabulary words first? The red vocabulary words.
Oh, okay. Saal al means to ask.
Nice.
She'ela means to question or to request.
Nice.
Shia means enter or to give birth.
Or actually, it's the afterbirth, but it has that sense of birth.
Oh, after birth. I'm sorry.
Right.
After birth.
So once more
Yeah.
together, I'll shil
There's a
ya.
there's a hand up. There's a hand up.
Okay, let me see who's got the hand up. Yes,
Alicia.
Elisheba.
Uh, but oh, it's Sha'al. Okay, and I when he said I understood the Baal. I would say I would say that I thought it was husband, but it's child.
Oh,
Sorry about that.
right, Sha'al, to ask. So the line that we're looking at is again, we're back to Samuel, chapter 1, and eventually I'm going to get the right worksheet here. Here we go. Verse 17, we have two words towards the end of the verse. Joseph, could you, or Gideon, let's stick with you. Your audio is fine. Can you give us the two words in red within the verse?
So we have
Sheil.
Sha'al Alte
Sheil.
So
Sheilatech.
it
and
might be a little bit
Shelat.
right. Um,
Sheilatech.
Sheila Teich, and the second one, Sha'alt. So why am I pointing out these two words? Let me um, give you some context. Um, Hannah has been praying for a child, and the high priest Eli has heard her and now understands what Hannah's prayer is about, and he gives her this blessing. He says, "Vaya'an Eli," and Eli responds to Hannah, "Vayomer," and he says, "Lechi l'shalom," go in peace. "Velohei Yisrael," and the God of Israel, Yitain et Shelatech, will grant your request, Asher Sha'alt Me'imo, which you have requested of him, of God. Um, Interestingly, the word Sha'al, our Hebrew root, Joseph, is actually Shin Aleph Lamed, Sha'al, to ask. But here we have She'latech. We don't have She'elatech. We're missing the Aleph.
Yes.
And as a result, the root resembles the word for placenta or shilia. So it's almost as if Eli was saying, and the God of Israel will give you the placenta. In other words, God will grant you a child. So it's a double meaning. It's God will grant your request, but specifically because without the aleph, the word shelatech refers to shilia, placenta. It's a double. It has a double impact. Not only will God grant your request, but specifically, God will give you a child, and and it's only through this understanding of Hebrew and Hebrew roots that we can glean that double meaning, that double impact. Because when you when you read the English translation, then go in peace, said Eli, and may the God of Israel grant you what you have asked of him, it misses that second impactful meaning that specifically God will give you a child. Shilyah is so close to She'elah. So anyway,
Yes.
that's just some confirmation for all of us why we value the Hebrew study and why it gives us a deeper look into the verses. So that's the very first part. There are two more verses and some ideas I'm looking forward to sharing with you in upcoming classes. But congratulations, everybody! That was a fun class. We started with Maya. I wish you could have all been here for the wonderful recital that Maya had on alepphs and bets and kamats and some of the early pronunciations, but everybody just did fantastic work. Johanna, thank you very much for the extra